In this guide, we'll explore how you can get CorelDRAW for free in just a few steps. Follow along. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel and like this video for more premium tools. Open Google and search for CorelDRAW support. Click on the first website that appears in the search results. Scroll down until you find the option to create a support ticket. Click Submit a Ticket and a new tab will open. On the right side of this new page, you'll see a form. Fill in the following details. Product. Select CorelDRAW Graphics Suite. Operating system. Choose the OS you're using, like Windows. For this example, I'll select Windows 11, this version. Issue type. Choose Business Volume Licensing Support. Serial number, order number. These fields are optional. Full name. Enter your full name. Email address. Provide your active email. Subject. Write something like free trial request for CorelDRAW. In the note section, compose a message like this. Hello CorelDRAW team. I am interested in purchasing CorelDRAW, but would like to test the software first. Could you please provide me with a free trial version? Below are my account details for reference. Scroll down further and re-enter your email address in the required field. Then, click Submit. After submitting the form, you'll see a confirmation message stating that your request has been received. The support team will contact you shortly via email with further details. That's how you can request a free CorelDRAW trial in just a few simple steps.